Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this icy blue cut crease using the James Charles and Morphe palette, and unfortunately I lost my intro footage. So this is the pictures of the look. I still really loved the way this turned out, so I wanted to get this video up for you guys. So first off, I'm going in with this shade called Punch Me, and this is just like a very neutral toned, almost cool toned, like a light tan shade, and I'm just dusting that into my crease using my Sigma E40 blending brush. And I really took my time with building up this color. I just wanted a really neutral tone in the crease, and then I went into like this deep, I don't even know, like a cool tone brown. I believe this is called Benny, and I'm just starting to deepen up the crease. So I'm taking that on more of like a tapered blending brush. I believe this is a Sigma E25, and I'm just starting to like pack that on the outer corner and then drag that into the crease, but keeping this a little further or lower than the last shade, basically not taking it up as high. And just really take your time with blending this color. This color was a little hard to work with. It could be a little patchy, I feel like. So I just really took my time with building up that intensity. And then I went in with the black shade called Spooky, just to further deepen things up even more. And again, just kind of focusing the most of the pigment on that outer corner and then dragging it into the crease. And I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease now. I'm taking a little bit of concealer, and I forget what this number brush is from Sigma. It's like a little fan brush, but it makes cutting your crease so easy, especially because I have hooded lids. So if you notice, I first put it like on my lash line, and then I look up and see where it transfers, and it kind of gives you like a little guide. And it's basically like connect the dots. So cut the crease, and then I'm going to go in with this blue shade. I believe this one is called Brother. No, this one's Cola. And so I'm just starting to put that on the outer corner, kind of fading from like that black taupey color into the blue. And just take your time with kind of color placement. You really want it to blend from one color to the next. And again, I just really took my time with building up this color and kind of fading it in towards that concealer, just so there's not like a harsh edge. And then I'm going to take this shade called Hello, and this is like a bright, I don't know, like a sky blue shimmery shade. Is very pretty. So I did wet my brush with a little bit of setting spray, just so this is a little bit more vibrant and kind of gives off more of like that foiled effect. So just take your time with placement as well. I kind of just packed it on, and then I'll kind of go back and forth between the two colors to make sure that they blend from one to the next. So I really go back and forth, like from the dark blue to the light blue, until you just kind of get that nice gradient and nice blend, and make sure there's not like a harsh line of demarcation between each color. The key with this look is really just taking your time to make sure you have that blend. And now I'm going to go into one of the Makeup Forever Starlit liquids, and I forget what number it is, but I'll list it down below in the description bar. And I'm starting to take that on the inner corner, like the inner third of the lid. And in all honesty, I probably could have skipped this step. I didn't like the way that it was going down, so I decided to go in with the Stila, I think, what are these called, like Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows, and this one is in the shade Diamond Dust. So I put that on top of that Starlit liquid, and I liked this a lot better. It had a lot more glitter. It was just like super icy, and I feel like it just made the whole look come together. So I packed that on the inner third of the lid and just made sure that it kind of blended from the blue to like the icy glitter shade. Again, I kind of go back and forth between each color to make sure everything is nicely blended. And now for my lower lash line, I went straight in with the blue shade called Cola, and I'm just kind of lining my bottom lash line with a domed brush. And then I went in with the black shade and a little bit of like that dark cool toned brown. I just mixed them together just to really define the lower lash line and give the eyes some definition. And then I took the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit for the tear duct highlight. I just felt like this tied the whole look together. It just really opened up the eyes, and I also use this to highlight throughout my face. And for the lip color, I'm going in with the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped, and I just thought this was the perfect like peachy pink nude for this look. And then I went in with the Dose of Colors DesixKaty gloss in the shade The Most, and oh my goodness, this gloss is just, it's like life. It just made this whole look. But basically, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.